Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. I'm Aristi Moorjackie from Greece, creative crew member for Canvas Corp brands, and I'm here to present you a very quick and easy tutorial on how to make these beautiful tassels by using sisals and jute from Canvas Corp. So we have beautiful tassels, which you can make them any size you wish and any color you wish and any subject you wish. It depends on how you want to use them. You can use them for your keys or as a charm on a junk journal. It's up to you, it's completely up to you. Let me start. I will use my sisal and jute. I will also use fibers from burlap. So I have this burlap from Canvas Corp. It was on the paper pad, on mixed media paper pads, and it's the mix and match pads, and I have it in huge variation of colors. So while I was making some flowers, burlap flowers, I was left over with the fibers, those fibers. So we will use them also, because they are having beautiful colors, and it's turned like that because I have it. Okay. The other thing we will use is pieces of fabrics and laces, whatever you wish. I have some stripes here that I cut. It was from a curtain, and you can make them and cut them as wide as you wish and put whatever, any fabric that you wish. And I have here a variation of laces, of small trims that I'm going to use. So let's start. How long you will cut your sisals and your jute is up to you. It's up to you on how long you want it and what you will use it for. Those make amazing decoration pieces, and you can put them on your doorknobs and stuff. But also you can make it for your keys, or you can make them to have as tassels hanging from your junk journals, in the spine of your junk journals. So the length of it and the size of it and the color and the style of it, it's completely up to you. You can make it basic, you can make it modern. It's completely up to you what color you will use and how. After we will cut our threads and sisals and jute and all that material that we will use, after you're done with it, you can decorate it with various beads and metals and charms, whatever you wish. Okay, let's start. I prefer to put my wider pieces on the center, so I'm preferring to put my wider pieces on the center. So we have another wide here, and on the top I prefer to put the jute because it's thinner and lighter, so the pieces that you will see will go on top. It's a very easy project, quick to do. It's very charming, and you can use it in various ways. So I put some pink ribbon, pink lace here because I have the jute, that is the pieces from the burlap that is pink. And I think I will bring this pink one higher because it hides over there. As you can see, it's nothing hard to do. And the pieces that you will choose is completely up to you. You can use pieces of scrap fabric and tear them apart and use them there. and I'm not paying too much attention now if it's balanced or not, because afterwards I can pull them and make them even. Or you don't want them even, you want them to be dimensional, but I can pull them from the sides if something is too short or it's too long or something. Should I put some red? Nah, no, I don't like red now. So now I will tie this, and I will tie it on the back. This was supposed to be the inner part, so I will really tie it. So we won't have piece falling apart. We will fold it in half. Let's see this one to adjust it. Everything else look okay. So then we make it nice. Now you will take, I will use one piece of the sisal and pass it in a wide head needle, but you can use a paper clip or a hook. And what I will come to do is I will come here and start turning, and now I will just put just a bit of glue, just a bit of glue for securing it, and then start turning it really tight. Really tight. You want to turn like that, and you can make this part as wide as you wish also, so I like it that wide. So why I use the needle is, the purpose I use the needle is, now that we will take our needle and pass it through here. Oops. And that is the easiest way to tie it and make it look neat over there. Sorry, my hands are slippery. And tied it very nicely. And add again just a bit amount of glue there. So we are secure that it won't leave, or that it will stay there. We remove the thread, and now we can fix it more and make the head more thin by pulling the pieces that you want them, and they are sticking out. And the other thing that you will do is you will take I think they're called jump rings. You want one of these metal thingies. Open it, and we will pass it through here, and then you can use whatever attachment you want. You want a big ring, you want a lobster, how you say that, you can use it whatever you want. You can, even if you don't have any of those metal stuff, use a paper clip, a simple metal paper clip. Now we can add more stuff to our tassel and add beads and charms, and the sky's the limit. So here, for example, it's with laces and blue ribbons, and I have attached blue beads, blue wooden beads. And this one, it's more shabby chic, and it has some wooden pieces also and some metals. So what you will put is completely up to you. And as I told you, you can use them as key charms. You can make them as short as you wish. Can you see? this one. It's a nice size. And if you make it this one, you can make it, for example, for Christmas ornament for your tree. So the use of it, it's completely up to your imagination, and you can make it more basic, you can make it more modern, you can make it as you wish, and use it wherever you wish. And this looks great on the spines of junk journals, that's why I'm making them. So I'm Aristi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give us your feedback. I hope you got inspired. Hugs and kisses.